Hey there. So now we are moving forward with OK Falcons, scalars slash some blog. Hey, I'm working on my first SEO. Let's see how AI email generators transform email marketing. Okay, the website loads undoubtedly fast. Kudos to that. But as a user, I'll never read this. I'll close this up and move ahead. The reason being, this entire above the fold section, this title, the first line, the hook, and the image, it has something very chat GPT to it. For example, Uh, in today's fast paced digital marketing landscape, I can easily find 10,000 plus articles on LinkedIn, on the entire internet, that starts with a very similar line, regardless of the industry or niche. So, that is first. Second, how AI email generators transform email marketing. There could be something else to it, something more to it. For example, how AI email generators transform email marketing in 2024, increase conversion rate and engagement, something like that. This image, I would, so I'm, as a user, I'm very habitual of seeing a featured image in the very top, and subconsciously I'm looking at this image as a featured image, and it's not working for me. So maybe a different image would work better. Let's see if you have used alt text for image. Now, so you have to add alt text for all the images that you use on your website. Okay. So for example, let's say AI email generators transform email marketing. Let's think about a long tail keyword. For example, AI email generators or AI email marketing tools. I'm just thinking wild, but because you're writing this, so I'm sure you must have done your research. So write accordingly. I can sense that you might have some more images in the article. Perfect. One, two. So you'll have to add some alt text to these as well. I can see you have used structure H2, H3, which is good. Okay. Let's see, have you used any internal or external links? External links, external links. This is internal link. Okay. Oh, so he's selling your own product, I think, right? Okay. Sign up now and experience the future. Okay, perfect. Makes sense. So let's start with the very basic. I'll hope I'm looking for, or I would say, I would appreciate if I can find a breadcrumb here. For example, blog, bracket, some category, or maybe the name of the title. Okay. And I'll change the first line, the very first hook, to make the reader hooked, to make the reader go ahead. Okay. And this article explores how these AI powered tools can transform email campaigns, saving the time and increasing engagement. Okay. The power of AI in email marketing. It's a game for email marketing by leveraging. Let's do this. Let me check first of all. Have you used any meta? So meta and description. You've used description, perfect. How AI discover how Scalar Sites AI generate tool can automate your email marketing. Perfect. Done. Done. Have you used any tags? Any keywords? Okay. So there are no keywords associated right now, as I can see. Okay. Option value done. Okay. So I'm assuming how AI even generates transform email marketing. So email marketing. AI tools for email marketing. Let's say I'm taking this for an example. The target keyword is AI tools for email marketing. Okay, let's just search for this. How many times have you mentioned AI? Space. It's 30 times. Okay, email marketing 7 times. Okay, and scale your own brand name. It's 12 times. Okay, so it's a proper transactional blog, as I can see, right? Okay, and do you have any other blogs? Oh, you have only one blog. Understood. Okay. 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 Let's do this. Right now, I can see that you have used external link for this, Microsoft Founders Hub and ChatGPT. Use some more authoritative links. For example, according to Forbes, 40% of email XYZ. So Just link Forbes to the anchor Forbes, okay? Or maybe use HubSpot. Use more authoritative sort of websites around your article and add an external link to that. Second, think of your blog strategy as a pillar. So consider this: you have to build a skyscraper, okay? But for the skyscraper to have some value, you have to create some huts around it. It might sound ridiculous, but consider this. For example, how AI email generators transform email marketing. Now, your another article could be how to write a step-by-step guide for email marketing, or maybe the AI evolution of email, or something like that, right? So you have to create a web of internal linking. Think about it. The better it is, the better your articles will rank. So you'll have to think about that. Okay. Which CMS are you using? I'm not sure. Let's just see. Is it WordPress? No. Is it Webflow? Is it Shopify? No. I think it's coded, right? So whatever it is, you have to work on that. Let's see what else do we have here. You have meta details. We have sitemap. Okay, it is missing. So you have to include one sitemap as well. What does the home page look like? Okay. Are these images missing by intention, or okay, is it my internet? Let me just refresh again. Okay, I can see it loading. Done. So I think your blog loads fast, but not the homepage. Let's just go back to that. What are agency services? Not sure. And I don't see a category. So okay, let's do this. Go back, create a mind map, or just put a document, write down all the categories that you want to write around. Or if you're just here to sell your products, right, create the major category. For example, email marketing, artificial intelligence. These are two categories. Create content around those, and these content could be anything. First of all, look for long tail keywords. For example, uh, you could do something like a, gu- um, an email marketing guide for fintech companies or whatever target audiences, an email marketing guide for your industry, uh, with embedding something artificial intelligence to it, and just make the content less chat gpt. Also, I saw this. Yep, remove this. You don't need this. What do you call it? Lightroom or something, right? I forgot the name. But I don't want to click on it and go to this. I want to stay on the page. Just make this particular image of the full 100% width. And similarly with this. And change this image. I would rather use Unsplash than these sort of images. These sort of images works well if they are embedded in between of the article or at the last, but not at the first. Your above the fold section usually defines whether people are going to read ahead or not. So make sure of that. Thank you.